How's it going, everyone? In this video, I'm going to be showing you all the new setup I'm using to trade futures. I'm going to show you the basics, kind of walk you through what futures are, and I'm going to talk about the funded accounts that you can sign up for. I'll leave the link in the description with a code, kind of give you a rundown of what they are, how they work. But as always, before we get started, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Click that thumbs up button and click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Let's get right to this. First off, personally, I like to trade ES, okay? This is a personal preference. Now, the platform I'm using here is Ninja Trader. Do not sign up for this right now if you plan on using the funded accounts, because they will walk you through the process and they do offer you a key for this, so you get it for free. Now, what the funded accounts are, you pay a monthly subscription, and if you use my code, you get 50% off. Be sure to use it. That'll save you a lot of money in the long run. You get 50% off, and you get to choose from a $25,000 account, $50,000 account, $75,000 account, all the way up to $300,000. You can choose which one fits you. Just be sure you watch our videos, get a good understanding of how it works. You do have an evaluation account first. You have to pass the test, which you have to, on a $50,000 account, you have to make $3,000 and have a minimum of 10 trading days. But to the downside, you got a $2,500 drawdown. So if you draw down $2,500, they will take your account away, and you failed that evaluation. But you can reset that account as many times as possible. So if you fail, you pay like, I don't know, $89, $90 to reset, and you get to try again. So just be sure you have a good strategy. Put in the time learning how to trade futures. I feel like price action and volume are key when you're trading futures. I do have a Thinkorswim account open where I trade futures right now. I'm currently passing all my evaluation accounts. I want to say this before I continue on. You can open multiple accounts, and they have a tool available where you link all them together to copy each other's trades. So if you open up 20 accounts, for instance, and you make, they're copying each other's trades. If you make $100 trade, what would only be $100 on one account has now became a $2,000 trade if you had 20 accounts. So you get the picture. Kind of takes away from the stress of trying to hit home runs, making the big crazy trades. Now, let's move past that and let's talk about how you make money with futures. First off, I want to show you how to pull up the chart trader I like to use. You can trade futures on here a few different ways actually, but this is how I like to do it. Pull up the chart trader. So now I have everything here. Yes, this is a simulated account just for educational purposes. I'm going to show you all how to do some things here. Now, if you want to make money to the upside, you buy. And if you want to make money to the downside, you sell. So you're buying long, selling short. I do buy market, and you can buy and sell market. Futures are very liquid. Or, if you prefer, you can just sell the ask. That'll probably give you the best feel possible. It may not trigger right away, but I would say that would be your best feel possible when selling. Now, let's talk about this ATM strategy. So we have this 1-5-13 in there. It has 3 you can choose from. This 1-5-13, what it does, it sets up a sell and a stop loss. So as soon as I buy in, and let me show you all, I'm just going to go long here.
Order filled.
So it automatically sets up your sell and your stop, kind of takes the risk away, helps you manage your risk. Now, let's talk about how you make money. See, we bought in here. We got filled at 3841.75. So if this went up $1, we would make $50. So with each 1 point, you make $50 when you're trading the ES. Or if it goes down, you would lose $50. Yes, this does require more premium to trade. You have to have more capital because it does hold a portion for each one of these that you open long. It holds a portion of your account. But that's fine. The funded accounts work great for this. Now let's talk about, so let's say we just want to close this out. It shows we're up $37.50. Oh, if you want to change that, you want to see how many points you're up, you can do so right here. So we're up 0.75. Now we're down 1 point. Whatever you want to look at. If you want to see your P&L, you just click there. Now let's say this trade we just want to get out of it. We just want to close it. We just can come here. We're out of it.
Order filled.
Easy as that. Now let's just say we want to turn this off. We want to go short. Let's
Order
go short
filled.
here. So now we're going short. We're going to make money to the downside here. So if we break below this 3839.25, we're going to start making money. Now, when you want to close out a short position, you have to buy. So just come over here. If we want to buy market, let's get out of this.
Order filled.
I hope this is helping some of you. Keep in mind, when you're trading these simulated accounts, you do have to have all positions closed out by 4:59 Eastern Time, p.m. Eastern Time. Be sure you're out of all positions by then. And I want to point out this. I'm still new to futures myself, but I've been putting in the hours learning. I'm really getting a good handle on this. And I feel like futures trading is a game changer. It's definitely worth learning. So let's look at the MES. So what this is made, the same thing basically, but you're only making $5 with each 1 point move. It's something good to practice with while you're learning. I definitely recommend trading this, especially if you're new to trading in general. Give this a shot. Try out, when you're learning what strategies work with futures, maybe try this out. Take some of the risk off. This is definitely worth doing right. And if you have any questions for me, I'll do my best to answer them. And I will leave the link and the code in the description if you're interested in trying out them funded accounts. And as always, I hope you all are in Team Bull trading live with me every morning. And I'll see you next video.